software engineers, programmers, coders, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, this is a C program that prints all combination of single digit numbers. So as you can see on the screen, you have the output on the right, and let's just get into it. So first things first, include standard input output. We're going to use putchar in this case. So putchar will only work if you have stdio.h included at the top. Then we've got ctype.h, includes all potential character related functions, but they have not been directly used in this code, but we just included it there just in case we will have needed it as I was just iterating through it. Then we've got the main function. So int main, then we've got void in there, so defines the program's entry point, and it's actually the main function that all our C code or even C++ code run through. But in this case, any function, when C is executing the code when you're running it, all the functions get called from the main function. So it's the primary function they're going to use. Then in the variable declaration we have digit, which is of type int. Then we're gonna loop through the digits. So digit 0, for the for loop there, digit is equals to 0, then digit is less than or equal to 9, digit plus plus. So it iterates through the characters 0 to 9. So starting with digit 0, continues until continues as long as digit is less than or equal to 9, then increments digit by 1 in each iteration, then print digit and handle comma separation. So we're looking for, at the back of our minds in the program, what you're trying to do is print all possible combination of single digit numbers. So we're going to even use some commas there. So when you have the putchar digit in there, it prints the current digit. So if digit is equal to 9, check if digit is equals to 9, like the last digit, we do a continue, then skips to the next iteration if 9, avoiding a trailing comma. Then we have the putchar, which has the comma there, and putchar, which has the space. If not the last digit, print a comma and a space. So that's how the algorithm is. It just works in there. Then we have putchar n, which is for a new line, then return 0 for a successful execution. So it's actually quite there's actually quite simple algorithm to make, because they just instead of just printing like the combination of numbers like that, because if you just do like 4 numbers, you'll only get like a string of 0 to 9 when it's put together. As in the previous videos that you have looked at, that is the normal thing that happens. You, instead of putting, if you don't put commas, you only get like the whole thing put together. But in this case, you put a comma and a space, then we're just getting the possible combination of single digits. So that is how the algorithm is, and it was fairly like simple, because it essentially prints the digits from 0 to 9 separated by commas or spaces. So this one is it was actually not as difficult, but as you move forward, we look towards more challenging more challenging algos as time progresses. So if you guys like the video, make sure you leave your feedback down in the comments on what you think, and I'm out. Happy coding.